morning.
Good morning. Hi.
Hi, I'm Sanjeev Mathur calling from BC Media, and we are here to cover the various securities organizations who are currently participating in the IFSCC event. And on behalf of BC Media, I would like to welcome you and thanking you for your valuable time to us. Now we have Mr. Hemant Singh, who is a VP Marketing and Growth from Wellvo Technologies Private Limited, with their base office in Jaipur and with other branches coming up soon. They are into basically switches and other peripherals, CCTV surveillance. And I would like to understand from him his growth plan, his journey so far, and his participation and the response that he has had for the product, and going further, what are the plans for him to expand?
Sure. So my name is Hemant. I am VP Marketing and Growth at Wellvo Technologies. Talking about my journey, I've been associated with Wellvo from last 2.5 years. I've seen so many additions in product and changes in product and so many innovations. But talking about Wellvo and the core thing that we are up to, so we have recently introduced our 32,000 square feet factory in Jaipur. From 200 square feet factory to 32,000 square feet factory, it's a transition of journey where we have added more than 90 SKUs in our portfolio, as well as new technologies in our portfolio. Talking about the visibility, so we are visible in good states in India, let's say 15 states in India. Our distribution partners are doing very well, and we're getting very good product feedback and our technology feedback from market. Talking about the compatibility and the reach to the market, we have at this point of time we have our distribution partner where end users can connect and get our products. Talking about the e-commerce and reachability on e-commerce, we have our own app where dealers and distributors can place the orders and get the products at their doorstep. Talking about our future vision, so we want to be a technology-driven company where we want a complete compatible solution reach to the market. We want to be a cost-effective solutions company where we can produce that sort of product which reach to the market on a very reasonable cost, and every corner can be secured and can be in a good vision, or as we have recently experienced few incidents where school securities, hospital securities, traffic securities are being compromised. So we are working on this, how we can improve it, and we have recently launched our school solutions where we have two-way communications camera where students can be communicated at one place, or a bunch of students can be communicated at one place and can be given instructions for any interruption or any sort of things. So yes, I proudly say Wellvo is a technology-driven company, and we believe our technology, one day our technology will reach every door, every home, or every person will experience Wellvo.
Now these switches that you have, are they compatible to Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 7 and all these?
Yes, all the categories in accessories that we have which is required to operate a surveillance thoroughly. We have complete solutions in CCTVs from 2 megapixels to 12 megapixels, and we have long range cameras. We have our specialization in our featured products. So our featured products like shy cameras, long range cameras, low light cameras, and two-way communications cameras, and alarm cameras. These are the specifications that we have at this point of time. As I said, we have a very large SKU. We have a 90 plus product listed in our catalog, just from the camera background. Talking about the accessories, so we have got more than 300 products listed in our accessories category.
That's good. And what is the team size that you have here?
So at this point of time, we have got 250 members in our core team, as well as we have blue collars, white collars in our factory and factory operations, and we have more than 60 members available in state to states to channelizing our business on the ground, associated work for distribution and associations. So it's a strength of almost 400 people at this point of time.
And what is the best product that is currently being sold by your company?
All products are best, but I would say our two-way communications camera, which we have recently launched in SD also, which is not in market at this point of time. Every surveillance company is working for IP two-way cameras, but we recently launched HD two-way communications camera in our category.
Okay. So that works in the night vision as well?
Yes, our basic camera is also comes with audio and night vision compatibility.
That's so nice. Okay. So
Sure.
that is a good information for the masses that we have. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to thank you and your team the very best, and let your organization reach better heights. And we meet again in the next session as a very
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.